When it comes to turbocharged vehicles, fuel quality can really influence power production. And with me right now, Stefan Papadakis. He's going to talk a little bit about water meth injection. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so here in California, we have really poor fuel, 91 octane, and it's hard to get a turbocharged car to a high boost, high horsepower, and not have problems with detonation. So the Evo that we have here today has an AEM water meth kit and then their fail-safe system. But the AEM fail-safe system will actually work on any water methanol kit. It's a standalone system.
Gotcha. So now with water meth, what's happening is they're going to be injecting a water methanol mixture into the engine, and that simulates a higher octane fuel, correct?
Right, so we can run a higher boost level, not worry about detonation. But you know, with the water meth system, generally they're pretty reliable, but if you do have a failure, that can lead to catastrophic engine damage. So let's simulate some of that stuff on the dyno, and then we'll look at some of the logs and the dyno charts, and make sure that everything's safe. So,
all right, well, Steph, take it away with the AEM failsafe.
My name is Keith Foster, and I'm the boss on all the forums. So yeah, I've got a 2005 Mitsubishi Evo 8 RS. So the mods I've got done to the Evo is an Evo 9 Turbo. We've got a front mount intercooler, EMS, water meth kit, and then the meth injection monitor.
My name is Mike Welch. I'm the owner of Road Race Engineering, and we specialize in the Mitsubishi Evolution. So today we're here testing a Evo 8 on the dyno.
On 91, it makes about 330 at 22 pounds of boost, and on water meth, it's about 400. On ethanol, it's probably right around 400 also.
Water meth injection kit, it's as good as you install it. And literally, when you do a meth install, you're working on it from one end of the car to the other. Stuff can go wrong. I mean, you do your best, whether you're doing it at home or you have a shop do it, it all comes down to the install. And stuff can go wrong.
So if I ran my car on its current tune at 28 pounds of boost without the water meth injection system running, I would for sure blow up the motor. There's no way my car could handle that much timing and that much boost on 28 pounds with just 91 octane.
The AEM failsafe is a gauge device that monitors the flow of your water meth system. It will actually take a high and a low range, and if there's a failure, it'll take that information and send out actual signal. So one of the most common ways that you can have a problem and need a failsafe is running out of fluid in the reservoir. Another possible situation is the pump itself failing or even a wiring issue. Failsafe will see a low flow condition and then will trigger your safety strategy. If there's a problem like a leak in the system, the failsafe helps in two ways. If it's a leak before the flow sensor, it's actually going to be a low flow condition. The way we're going to simulate is with this vice grip. We're actually going to clamp down on the line and stop all the flow and create a fail mode. If you have a problem where there's a leak after the sensor, you're going to have a high flow. So the way that we're sampling a high flow leaky line condition is we have the line teed off, and once we open up this vice grip, it's going to leak and bypass the fluid into this can. So now here's the data from the run. You'll see the horsepower coming up and being very high, but then it drops down. Well, what's happened is our fail mode created the secondary strategy of lower boost, less timing, and increased fuel. And you'll see that with the less boost here with the dotted pink line, but then it continues all the way off to red line with no detonation and safe.